This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials installed, Git Node, JSLTS, Git, and your editor ready so you can start building immediately. Once installed, open a project folder, run Git in it, and add a concise README. Make a git ignore that excludes node modules. Then scaffold the app, npm init to set package, JSON, and install your framework or libraries with a CLI. This gets you a runnable dev server fast, so you can iterate on real code rather than on setup questions. Once you have a running app, organize code into SRC, components, styles, and assets so you avoid messy imports later. Start wiring core features, implement routing and basic state management, then connect to your backend API using fetch or Axios and secure keys with env variables. Make components reusable and keep UI logic separate from data fetching. This reduces bugs and speeds testing. As you go, run the dev server frequently, fix errors in small commits, and verify UX. To finish, optimize and prepare for production. Build with minification and tree shaking, then measure performance with Lighthouse. Deploy using a platform like Versal or Netlify, connect your repository for CI/CD, and set environment variables securely. Before launch, run unit and end-to-end tests, inspect the browser console and network tab, and validate cores and auth flows. If something breaks, revert to the last green commit. Reproduce the bug locally and add a focus test. That single troubleshooting step prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.